Namaste viewers, welcome to Gnana channel. Today we will try to understand the meaning of the Bīja mantra Omkara. Om is also called as a Pranava Mantra. Let us try to understand the meaning of that. But before that, I request you to please like, share and then subscribe to my channel. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box. Now coming back to Omkara, Om. It's not just a sound. It is the primordial vibration from which the universe emerged. It is said Omkaram Srushti Saram. It's also known as the Pranava Mantra, Pranava Swarupa, Omkaram Pranava Swarupam. The most sacred seed mantra, sacred Bīja mantra in Hinduism, in Sanatana Dharma. It is highly regarded across the Vedas, Upanishads, Yoga, Tantra tradition. Wherever you go, Om. Anything you start with Om, Omkaram, Omkara, Omkara. Now, the word Om is composed of three Sanskrit phonemes. That means Akara, Ukara, Makara. A, U, Ma. All three combined together. It combines to form Omkara. All these merge into the fourth state, which is Amātra. And after that, the silence that follows Om symbolizes the infinite. This is how it is to be understood. This Omkara is to be understood. The meaning of Omkara. All these things, it should come to the mind when you listen or utter or this mantra is repeated. Omkara. Each sound represents the state of consciousness. Akara, Ukara, Makara. And then this silence. Also, Akara is Jagratavastha, waking state. Ukara is Swapnavastha, dreaming state. The subtle mental world, imagination and inner experience, that is Ukara. Akara is the gross physical world, the outer experience. Makara is the deep sleep, that is Sushuptavastha, unmanifest, blissful, thoughtless awareness. There is an awareness, but there is no thought there. You are still aware, that is that Sushuptavastha. Then the silence after this Om, Amātra, that is the Turiya avastha, the fourth state, supreme consciousness, pure awareness, beyond all dualities. This is the meaning of Omkara. Whenever we come through this word, all these things should strike us. Now, the Mandukya Upanishad, Om is explained in detail as encompassing all time, past, present and future, and also transcending time. Omkara is also described as Brahman itself. Om iti ekaksharam Brahma. Om iti ekaksharam Brahma. Om means it is the Brahman itself. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita says, among words, I am the Omkara. I am that syllable Om. Om is considered the vibrational essence of Ishvara, God. Chanting Om aligns the practitioner with the cosmic rhythm. It is said to purify the mind, raise spiritual awareness, and connect to the divine. Connection with breath and life. Om is said to be the sound of Pranava. Om is said to be the sound of Prana, the life force, Pranava, Pranavankaram. Then yogis use Om in pranayama and dhyana to deepen awareness and still the mind. Omkar. Om. That is the power of Om. Omkara japa. Repeating Om is a direct method of experience, inner peace and realized Atman. Omkaram. So then you have this cosmic creation also. According to Vedic cosmology, Om was the first sound, the source of creation. It is the seed of all mantras, the womb of the universe. Nada bindu kalatita. Nada bindu kalatmikaye namaha. Nada bindu omkara. So the symbol Om has parts that correspond to the three states. The lower curve waking, the middle curve dreaming, the upper curve deep sleep, the dot Turiyavaste, the crescent Maya illusion that hides Turiyavaste. See, the symbol itself is so meaningful. So to conclude, Om is the heartbeat of the cosmos. It is the sound body of the Supreme, encompassing all experience, all reality and all divinity. Chanting Om is both prayer and meditation, invoking the presence of the divine within and without. Viewers, Om has got so much of meaning, so much of power, so much of it's coded. Simply code. Everything is coded as Om. With this explanation, we conclude this episode. Please like, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time in listening to this video. Thank you.